Here.
What's that for?
So you could just sit on the glass and clean it up later.
It looks like you ran something over.
It looks like she ran something over.
Well, yeah. Looks like someone jumped on it. Ford Escape. The door. So there's a screw right here, 2 screws right here, screw right here, and 1 right here. And they're all 7s. So yeah. From there, go up, comes out. You unplug these. Come on, buddy. You can these out of the channels and then vacuum all this up. Great. Fucking batteries there. If you guys are ever in Mira Loma, pass by El Chorrito. El Chorrito. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. It's a shrimp burrito with chicharron. What'd you get?
Torta.
Let me see the torta.
Cook in the kitchen. Ranjit.
2014 Toyota Prius. Sliced out, primed up, no rust. It was the original, so not gonna have a problem there. And then this is the beautiful city of Corona. See what's going on with this. Ew. A new molding from Gold Glass Group. Right?
Oh, it's sprinkling bit.
Okay. So we gotta hurry up.
cut.
It got some goddamn leaks.
The caca.
The old bureau. Put some activator, dry up the water. And then here it is, bureau in the box. She looks like that. Never dries. Already. Thank you, Ray.
Why do I let my
17 Tucson. So this is what I was talking about yesterday. It has these tins all the way around. So you just gotta go and then take this out. So this whole prop comes out. Yep. Got it all out. There you can see all the stuff we're gonna clean. And then the only thing holding up the window is a little tent right here. So you can see it's lined up. And that's it. Oh, and don't forget these. Gotta connect these two. Excelente. '18 Jeep Wrangler. For the homie Shasebi. They call this the wiper salute. The people that stuff it, it kind of gives like a salute, you know. It's fucking funny. What you doing here, champ? This shit is cold as fuck. Alright, this window regulator is good. Just fixed it. Sorry I didn't record it. We're kind of in a rush. Gotta get the hell out of here. But yeah, there she is. 2017 GMC Sierra.
This ain't the same for gangsters. Cops is anxious to put niggas in handcuffs. They wanna hang us, see us dead or enslave us. Keep us trapped in the same place we raised in. Then they wonder why we act so outrageous. Run around stretched out and pull out gauges. Cause every time you let the animal out cages, it's dangerous. The people look like strangers.
Helping out the homies. Gonna do the calibration on the Jeep Wrangler.
Good for him barbecue stuff.
What you got there, buddy?
At Alpha Auto Glass, we come to you. Fix you the right way, just like Supreme Auto Glass.
Hell
Give us a
yeah.
call today. Windshield's so good, make you want to slap you over.
Where's that from? Fucking Friday?
Friday, yeah.
You know what, right?
What's up, babe? I've been drinking a lot of coffee. I'm not really hungry. With who? Go for it, cause with the traffic right now, I'm probably not gonna get back for another hour. Alright, I'll see you later. Are you nervous?
I'm not used to this gun.
No?
Oh, you have the power push, I don't use this one.
Damn, the power what? Power kick?
Power push? Goes this fools.
Damn. Damn, what's up with this little crack right here?
Jonathan's fourth cracked windshield by his neck.
So right here we're gonna do the calibration. It's dynamic, so we just gotta drive it around. Thank you, Alpha, for my new windshield.
Anytime. Come back to us soon.